Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're doing a bit of a weird unboxing because this is an unboxing but of a watch that I already unboxed and reviewed. And the reason I'm doing this video is not to show you the unboxing itself, because like I said, I already did that with this watch, but it's to address a different issue. Now the watch that I'm gonna unbox today is a Circula, a watch that I already received from them and actually did a review. But in my review, I said that I noticed some hair, foreign material around 6 o'clock marker, and not only that, there was also some color application was done in not a good way. So this was something that's pretty much invisible to the naked eye, but once you get under the macro lens, you really see all the imperfections. Any imperfection that comes with a watch is gonna be visible. And the reason I'm doing this video is because of what Circula did once they saw my review. They contacted me right away. They also commented in that video that they'll be replacing any buyers that experience, they'll be replacing watches for any buyers that experience that kind of flaw on a watch, because even to them that was unacceptable for the price. And they also offered to repair my watch, to open it, to clean that part, and if there is really some color missing on the dial, to replace the dial. And they did it. They sent the watch. I sent the watch to them at their own expense, and they sent it back. And I guess I'm doing this video to show you that a brand gets recognition and gets respect not only when they do things perfectly the first time, but also the way they act once they make a mistake. So Circula obviously made a quality control mistake by releasing a watch with foreign materials here, but that's not a reason to dismiss them, because I always like to say that you know someone when the times are hard. So not when everything is going smooth, then everyone is perfect, but once things go a bit south, that is when you reveal when someone is really behind their brand and really someone you can count on. And I'm glad that Circula responded the way they did, because it made the flaw they did on the first model actually an advantage, because they showed they really care about their product and are willing to rectify and correct things, unlike some other brands that really don't. And I'm really impressed with that, and that is probably the reason why I wanted to do this video, in a way to thank them and to show you guys that there are brands that really stand behind their product, like Circula does. Now I'll be wearing this watch now worry-free, because now I know it's perfect. I will do a couple of macro shots on my own to see if this one is really flawless, but I have no reason to doubt that they are. Another brand that did the same, not same, but similar thing is Melbourne Watch Company, that Just One More Watch was doing a review of, and they also developed, he also discovered a couple of flaws on 2 of their watches. And although some people dismissed the brand right away, I actually commented on that video that I'm impressed with the reaction, because the CEO of the company actually responded in the comments apologizing for the poor quality control and also promising to rectify any buyers that experience similar problems. And that is the way you have to respond to these kind of problems, because that is what creates confidence in your brand from buyers, because when they buy it, they have no fear that even if something is wrong, they know there's someone behind the brand that's gonna rectify things and make things right. Anyways, that's it. So thank you for watching, and a big thanks to Circula for doing the right thing. That's it when it comes to this video, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.